In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in AAMI account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link www.aami.com.au/secure/login.html. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official login interface of AAMI. Simply wait for the interface to load. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log in to your AAMI account. All you have to do is enter your credentials over here, or you can also log in with a one-time code. For that, what you have to do is click on this option, log in with a one-time code. But if you want to log in with your password, click on the field of email address. Now what you have to do is enter your email address over here. Make sure to provide the valid email address. Now once you do that, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget your password, and you'll be able to recover it. After recovering the password, make sure to enter your password over here. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, if you have enabled the multi-factor authentication, you'll have to go through the authentication process. All you have to do is enter the OTP sent to your email address or mobile number. After you do that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in AAMI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.